Hey, how's it going, everyone? We're just on my nightly walk here. Again, I'm in St. George, Utah, just a few hours south of where I live, and I just came upon this really nice Phoenix canariensis here. I've seen about like 30 or 40 of them so far, but I thought I would record this one. This one looks really healthy. It's in this parking lot here, this kind of strip mall, and it's just a really gorgeous specimen. They're getting pretty common all over St. George. I've seen quite a few of them, and I have seen this year. I've seen quite a few with some winter damage because we had such a rough winter. But this one looks spectacular, and it's not really protected whatsoever. It's not near a building or anything. Yeah, I'm just really hoping these become a lot more popular here in St. George. But appreciate you guys watching. Take care.